The fox and the pheasant. One day, a fox was walking through a thick forest. Suddenly, she saw a pheasant sitting at the top of a tree. The fox came closer and said,
"Hello, my pheasant. How are you?"
The pheasant replied,
"I'm good. How about you?"
"Come down here so we can talk. One of my ears doesn't hear very well."
the fox said slyly.
"I'm afraid to come down. There are many wild animals on the ground. They might eat me."
Answered the pheasant.
"Hey, old pal, times have changed. A new rule came out. Now no one hurts anyone. Sheep and wolves, foxes and chickens are supposed to live together peacefully,"
Said the fox.
"Thanks for the update, old pal. I think some dogs are coming from over there. Did you tell them about the rule too?"
Asked the pheasant. As soon as the fox heard the word dogs, she ran away. The pheasant shouted after her.
"Where are you going? Did you forget the new rule?"
The fox called back while running.
"Who knows? Maybe they haven't heard the rule yet."